Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCRT Maths with Pradeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 10.3 of chapter 10, that is visualizing solid shapes. So the sixth question is verify Euler's formula for these two solids. So let's see first the first part. See for Euler, what is Euler's formula? So what was the formula? That is number of faces plus number of vertices minus number of edges should always be equal to 2 for any polyhedron. So now how to verify? We will find out the number of faces, edges and vertices, put in this equation and see left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So let's first count number of faces. So number of faces will be, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided figure. Okay. So these 5 faces will be there because for each edge we will have one face. So 5 faces around this, 6th one is this and 7th one is the bottom. So number of faces are 7. Okay. So now let's count the number of edges. So 5, see 5 for this, 5 for the bottom, total 10. And each one is joined. So 5 will be joined also. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay. So now vertices. Vertices we can see corners. So 5 corners here and 5 corners in the bottom. So it will be 10. So these are the values. So let's put here. So number of faces, that is 7. Vertices 10. Minus edges, so 15 should be equal to 2. 7 plus 10, 17, minus 15 is equal to 2. So this is 2 equals to 2. Since left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Okay, your value should be equal to your right hand side. Correct? So let's see the second part. Again, number of faces. So number of faces we can see this is a cube and above that it is a pyramid. So we can see that how many faces of a cube? We have 6 faces, but since this face is now surmounted by a pyramid, so we will not include this. So 5 from this side and how many edges from this side? Square has 4. So 4 triangles will go up. So 5 plus 4 it is 9. So number of faces are 9. Clear? So now number of vertices. So number of vertices is corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners or 8 vertices of the cube and 9th one is this. So number of vertices are also 9. So now number of edges. So we know that for a cube number of edges are 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for these 4 edges, 4 are further joined. Okay. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So number of edges are 16. Now let's verify this. We will write using Euler's formula. Number of faces plus vertices minus edges should be equal to 2. Let's put the values. 9 plus 9 minus 16 should be 2. So 18 minus 16 should be 2. This implies 2 is equal to 2. So hence verified. Okay. So if your value is equal to right hand side, this is a polyhedron. If it is not, then that will not be a polyhedron. So in this case we need to verify and we have verified. So this is our 6th question. Now let's see the next one. So 7th question is using Euler's formula find the unknown. So this table is given to us and we should find the missing values. So let's see, let it be 1, this has 2 and this has 3. So let's see the first part. So faces I am taking as F, vertices as V and edges as E. So what is the value of F? We should find V is 6 and E is 12. Okay, so using Euler formula, So what is formula? Faces plus vertices minus edges should be equal to 2. Okay. So faces we should find. Vertices 6, edges 12 equals to 2. So what is F? Plus 6 minus 12. This is minus 6 equals to 2. So now this 6 will go to other side. It will be 2 plus 6. So what is the value of F in this case? That is 8. Clear? So second is, so now faces are 5. So that is F is equal to 5. Vertices missing and edges are 9. So again put the values in Euler formula. So using Euler formula, faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. Faces 5, vertices we should find, and edges are 9. So 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Okay. So V's minus 4 will go to other side. So this is 2 plus 4. So value of V is 6. Clear? So let's see the third one. Faces, vertices and edges. So faces are 20. Vertices as 12 and edges we should find. Again substitute the values. So using Euler's formula, F plus V minus E should be 2. F is 20, V is 12 and edges we should find. Correct? So 20 plus 12 is 32 minus E equals to 2. So this 32 we will shift. So minus E is equal to 2 minus 32. Okay. So minus E is 2 minus 32 is minus 30. So this minus and minus will be cancelled. So value of E is 30. Okay. So I hope now this is clear how to use Euler formula to find the missing values. So this is our 7th question. Now let's move on to the last one. So let's see our 8th question. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? So again we will use our Euler's formula. Put these values and see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. If they are equal, we will say yes, this can be possible. But in case left hand side is not equal to right hand side, we will say that this is not possible. So let's see. Here faces, that is F is equal to 10, edges E equals to 20, vertices V equals to 15. So now we will use Euler's formula by Euler's formula. So what is the formula? Number of faces plus number of vertices minus number of edges should be equal to 2. So let's put the values. That is 10 plus 15 minus 20 should be equal to 2. So 10 plus 15 is 25 minus 20 should be equal to 2. So 25 minus 20 is 5 equals to 2. So can 5 be equal to 2? No. Okay, so we will write which is not true because 5 is not equal to 2. Since this is not true, so this will also be not possible. That is, this polyhedron does not exist. Okay, so we will write therefore this polyhedron cannot be possible. Okay, so I hope question number 8 is clear to you. With this question, our chapter number 10, that is visualizing solid shape, is also finished. I hope you like this video. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.